Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone is up to date and you're signed into iCloud. Open Settings, tap Focus, then Do Not Disturb. Turn it on immediately from Settings or swipe into Control Center and tap the crescent moon. Once done, enable Share across devices so the same silence applies to your iPad or Mac when signed into the same Apple ID. This prevents interruptions from other devices and centralizes control before you customize behavior. Next, decide who and what can interrupt you. In Do Not Disturb settings, tap People to allow calls from favorites or specific contacts, and set repeated calls to bypass if urgent. Then tap Apps to permit only essential apps like Maps or Messages. Once done, set a schedule or use Smart Activation so DND turns on automatically based on time, location, or app usage. Make sure to test with a quick call from an allowed contact to confirm settings behave as intended. Finally, control visibility and context. In display settings inside Do Not Disturb, choose to dim the lock screen and hide notification badges so you're not tempted. Add focus filters to restrict mail accounts, Safari tab groups, and home screen pages for a distraction-free session. If something goes wrong, reboot your iPhone first, confirm iCloud sync and share across devices, and ensure focus status is shared with apps. If notifications still appear, toggle Do Not Disturb off and on, and reapply your allowed lists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.